sponsorship item number 2 is called the Jellycomb Bluetooth wireless keyboard. It has configurable keys, not in the way that you think. You can't change a W into an S and stuff like that. No, what it means by configurable keys is that it has both a Windows keyboard mode and a Mac keyboard mode, which I think is very beneficial. It's supposed to be Bluetooth. Crap, this thing is bigger than it looks. It's about 3/4 of a regular keyboard size. It's very heavy. It comes with stickers in the manual. Cool little stickers right there. And the manual. Here's what it looks like. Very, very heavy. It's even got these to cover the keys. If you want to put them on top of keep your keys from getting dirty, you can match it up. Little dust protector. It's wrapped up nice and firm, like a virgin. But anyway, we're not getting into that. There it is. Looks exactly accurate to the box. A lot of times you'll see something online and it doesn't look anything like the box. This one looks exactly like it. This was made with Macs and cell phones and tablets in mind. So your iPhone being the 6S and newer, maybe even the 5, will probably work with this thing. Oh, it even has a Windows, Android, iOS key. That's just the keys are circular, heavy, so hopefully that means that it has a big battery in it. But yeah, just take a look at that. That is like, it is absolutely beautiful.